Blanc Clan is gonna be in trials. Here I'm fighting a guy. She's for a trial. I'm gonna test him. Of course, I'm using my gold sniper with gold. Time for a headshot. Oh, rapos na. Inner gold activated. I'm not using auto. You guys know I'm a god. Blanc Clan. See, I'm not using auto. I'll show you some proof later. Bro, this guy is spamming nowhere. He's getting to the clone. Guys, he's no chance. He's spamming. Nah, no chance, my little bro. I'm too good. I'm a good sniper.
Hiraya, dudua.
That's why I'm the leader of Blanc Clan. Okay. I'm not gonna be letting anyone else try out until August. Yeah, that's pretty long. It's because my brother's birthday is in August. That's a weird fact. Time for crossbow claw. Pag, pag, pag!
Yan o. Yan.
Crossbow Narf activated. Crossbow Narf activated. Shakalaka. As the Blanc Clan says, it's as a Blanc Clan says, Shakalaka Blanc Clan. When it's a trick shot or a good shot. Wow! Shakalaka Blanc Clan, let's go! Shakalaka Blanc Clan, pogi tayo! Let's go, everybody! Guys, I will be trying to learn how to show my face while gaming. So yeah. You know what? I feel bad. Just using this but it's a level 2. Why is free? So, take 50 minutes on. Bruh, guys, why don't you watch? Guys, my cousin. Oh, brother. It's my cousin. Guys, are you gay?
Like, wag mo nga, ano yung ventilador kasi. Like, yung saksakan, like, delikado. Yung saksakan, matatanggal na. O, tingnan mo yung saksakan. O, yung saksakan, matatanggal. Baka sumabot.
Oo, narinig ko sa una.
O, ba't hindi mo ginagawa? Hindi pa rin ako.
Ayaw mo sinasabi ko, wait, so...
Sasabong, litsi ka.
Guys, should I use the bad loadout? I love to see that. You know what? I'm just gonna use...
Ni Raya. Because Kuya is big eh.
I'll just use pistol. And this.
Yan po yung kanyan. Nanay. Tatlong dalawa ni Raya.
Yeah, guys, never mind. She's using auto. You know when I see somebody using auto, it's crossbow Clark time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Yeah, I gotta go since my cousin is angry now.